In this lecture, we will talk about the use of Geographic Information System, that is called the GIS. So what is GIS and how does GIS help to the people? Well, the Geographic Information System is concerned with thematic and spatial representation of sets of data electronically with respect to the Earth's given coordinates. The example of this technology is creation of the digital maps. In the digital maps, almost any type of information can be presented or spatially organized with respect to given Earth's coordinates. So Geographic Information System is concerned with the spatial and thematic representation of sets of data with respect to the Earth's given coordinates. So here in the slide you can see the given Earth's location. So suppose this is the given Earth's location or given coordinate. Now with respect to this Earth's location, different sets of data like the water features, boundaries, addresses of the residents, then transportation facilities and n number of information. So these different sets of information can be presented thematically with respect to the given Earth's coordinates. So using this system, we can present the sets of data which may contain any type of information like the water features, then terrain, addresses, transportation facility and different physical features. So all this information can be thematically presented with respect to the given Earth's coordinates. So as I discussed earlier, different sets of information like the ATMs, then information about the petrol pumps, hospitals, schools, then banks, restaurants, parks. So all this information with respect to given coordinate can be thematically presented using GIS with respect to a given Earth's coordinate. So in case of paper map, we cannot display all this information with respect to one particular location. But using a digital map, it becomes possible to display this wide array of information with respect to a single Earth's coordinate. And that is one of the important application of this GIS technology. So same concept is presented over here, that with respect to a given coordinate, we can present sets of data thematically with respect to given Earth's coordinate. So creation of digital maps is one of the important application of the GIS technology. So digital maps created using this technology can display wide array of information with respect to given Earth's location. So all this information can be retrieved with a typical search, that for a given location you can search for the ATMs, then for the same location you can search for the restaurant, then for the same location you can search for the schools, parks, railway stations, etc. So depending on your search, the map will display you the respective results. So that is the thematic representation of data with respect to a given Earth's coordinate. Now the different elements of the GIS. So elements of GIS involve the people, then data, software, hardware and the procedures. So this is about the concept of the GIS and its application.